Like, damn, she on a move. Like, damn, she on a move. Is it on her mood or on the move? I think it's in her mood. On her mood? Maybe it's both. How is this Easter talk? PiinkSparkles here. It's Easter. Hey cuties! Happy Easter, everyone! Oh my god, I'm going to get a sugar high from all this sugar. I've been eating so healthy, so I'm like so excited to eat some sugar and some chocolate and like burst my taste buds and just be like a sugar monster. Okay, let's be normal. It's a struggle over here to be normal. Welcome to Taste Test Tuesday. I am your host, Pinksparkles. I hope you guys are having a wonderful Tuesday. I encourage you to try something new today. This is going to be a dollar store Easter candy edition because I walked into the dollar store, the Easter store. What the hell? It's just a bunny. Pooping out candy. My last taste test video, you guys were like, you have too much energy, you need to tone it down a bit. Like, what? Like, that's like who I am. Like, this is my personality. I'm not gonna change who I am. Like, what? I've been this way like my whole life. Like, my mom's the same way. I've always just like told dumb jokes, laughed at everything, like said stupid stuff. Like, that's like literally me. I'm never gonna stop being me. There's a quote I heard recently and I honestly live by that quote now. It's, do not dim your light to make others, what is it? I live by it. Also, doesn't know it. I'm gonna Google it. Don't let somebody dim your light just because it's shining in their eyes. Literally. It wasn't exactly that. It was like, don't let somebody dim your light just because somebody can't see how bright you are or something like that. But literally, that's like literally what it is. Like, don't change who you are just because, you know, somebody's like upset about it. Like, just because their light is a different kind of light, right? It's not like they don't have a bright light. I don't even know what I'm talking about. I'm like, bright light. I'm like literally a gremlin now at this point. Like, bright light, bright light. I went to the dollar store and I was like, I haven't done like a themed dollar store taste test in so long, but yeah, don't dim your light to make others shine brighter. That sounded like a bitchy way to say it. Like, oh, just care about yourself and don't let others shine, girlie. It's only you. Okay, so I went to the dollar store. I just started like every kind of candy that looked cute, so let's get into it. Okay, the very first thing I'm gonna choose is this cute little bunny. This little bunny, this is so adorable. Let's see, are you allowed to keep, like, is it just part of this? Anyways, this was $4, right? $4 there, and these are, just says jelly beans, and it's Bon Bon Bunny. They're so cute. This is such a cute little Easter present. If you guys are wanting to get like an Easter basket, Easter fun, and Easter stuff, definitely go check out Dollarama or your local dollar store, whatever your local dollar store is, because you can find things for kids, for adults. You know, you can still get an Easter present and an Easter basket as an adult, right? Oh my god, you can add the hip to the collection. I love how he has like a little hang thing. Okay, let's hang him here. Let's hang him. I love him. Oh my god, he's like just there. He's just chilling. Okay, now this looks like a face to me. I mean, $4 for a little stuffy and some candy. Only like 4 candies. Is it worth it? We will see. Ooh, they smell really good. Like really sugary. Oh, it smells like frostings. I'm gonna go for like the pinky reddish one right here. Mmm. Oh, yummy. They don't have that like artificial, well, they do. Some dollar store candies have like a super strong artificial. Okay, never mind. There it is. The more you go, it's not super off-putting. It's a little soapy and a little like perfumey, but it's nothing crazy. It tastes fruity, but I don't know what kind of fruit. Oh. That tastes like lime. Okay, these are addicting a little. I'm gonna give these like a 7 out of 10. Yum. All right, next is this egg. I was gonna say little egg, but it's quite a big egg, and it says chocolate Easter egg. It's quite simple, $1.75, super good price. Things are so expensive nowadays, so like $1.75 for an Easter, like a little Easter present, worth it, I think. Well, I keep saying that without even trying it. Oh, there's a little grass there. They had all different colors of these, but of course I chose the pink one. Hello? Oh my god, it's like a giant Kinder egg. Please don't crumble. Please don't crumble. Please just break. There's a seam on it. You guys see that? Okay, come on. Please just bear with me here. Wow, honestly, like at that point, what else are you supposed to do other than like how else are you supposed to open it? But really, like, what are you supposed to do? I'm just gonna bite it here. Like, it's like shards. There's nothing inside. I thought we were gonna have like a little like toy inside. It's just chocolate. I mean, for $1.75, I would say this is worth it. It tastes like a Hershey bar. It really tastes like it's like identical chocolate to a Hershey bar. This is good. I'm gonna give it like an 8.2 out of 10. Yup. Next up, we got these. What are these? What are these called? Easter candy. What kind of candy? It's like in the shape of a carrot, kind of. They're super cute. I love the packaging. It's again by Bonbon Bunny. I need scissors. No, I can do it. I can do it. I can do it. No, I can't. I'm only human. My scissors don't even cut. It's so cute. Okay, this one you can actually successfully open. It didn't. I had high hopes for you. Okay. So I think they wanted like a little, you know, slit down here so you can just pour some in your hand. But they look like Lego. Like these candies look like Lego. I feel like this is not gonna be good. Girl, bye. So they're ducks and carrots and bunnies. That's fitting. Let's try a little blue duck. Oh my god, I don't think I'm supposed to bite it. Oh, ow! It tastes like chalk. That literally tastes like you're eating a pencil crayon. Okay, oh my god, I got them all. Here's a little carrot, a yellow carrot. No. Nope, we're just gonna say 1 out of 10. God, the ducks are falling out of my carrot. I gotta go. Next is something I'm so intrigued about. This is by Sweet Shop. This was $1.75. Gummy Blocks. Like very Minecraft. These are so cute. Build yummy fun. This is super, 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 super cute. So it looks like there's like little ducks and then a carrot, looks like. Gummy Blocks. These are so intriguing. I feel like the packaging is like giving me high hopes again, and then is it giving? What is that? What are we looking at? Oh. Wait. There's so many first impressions here. There's so many first impressions. The packaging I feel like is superior for dollar store packaging. It's like parchment paper satchel type thing. Very, very satisfying, very like smooth, but they're literally blocks. So you build your own thing. Are you kidding me? Build that with these? So girl. Second of all, I love the colors and they are super jelly-like. Like they're I can just tell that they're really, really soft. So that is like a huge plus right away. I knew they were gonna smell so good. Just like the packaging and everything, I knew they were gonna smell so good. So this is what they look like. They look like gummy bears, but they're like, oh my god, they're like super like moist and yummy. I don't even know. The carrot, maybe? Okay, so, oh my god. They didn't even cut this, fail. Oh, maybe this is, okay, wait. Okay, here's this, and then there's green, what? There's like green little things. How are you supposed to get like little strips like that with this? With a knife? How do I just write it? Oh, yep, okay. How do you get that up here? Just, like what, how are you supposed to, it doesn't stick. That's a lie, them getting the carrot like that, how? Like that? There's no way to do that unless you like taped it. Okay, let's try to like put this, oh my god, this is like literally me building a house. Yeah, okay, well there, it fits, but like, I would be so annoyed if I was a kid and like I was trying to build like something actually cool and then you build it and then you, like you actually can, like it doesn't, like what? It goes in but immediately pops out, like. This is me trying to eat healthy. Literally. Oh no! Oh yeah, that's literally me eating healthy. Let's just try. Oh, amazing flavor. Not too sweet, but very chewy. Orange flavor. They really taste like Skittles, but gummy. Like gummy Skittles. Overall, let's give it like a 6.6 out of 10. Kind of a fail, but kind of a win. Let's put them on each other like that. Oh, see? You can make things like, oh my god, like a sandwich like that. Oh my god, it looks so delicious. Look at this. Very chewy. Yeah, I can't even bite it. Okay, next we're going to do these real hoppy marshmallow eggs made in Canada. Well, I'm Canadian, so all my Canadian girlies, hello. And if you don't celebrate Easter, hopefully you guys are just enjoying this taste test as a taste test. Ooh, this one, it's more like a s'more. S'more? Is it s'more or s'more? I feel like a lot of people say s'more, but I've heard that it's s'more because I want some more. Like I want some more, so s'more wouldn't make sense. Where did we get on that? Oh, because it smells like it. This literally smells like that. It smells like graham cracker, chocolate, and marshmallow. They look like this. They're really big. Love the sound. Oh, they sound like beads or something. Let's grab a bright pink one here. They look like that. Let's bite it. Or not. Oh. Oh, okay. The first initial piss it off. Okay, really sugary. I don't even hear that, but I'm literally just crunching sugar crystals. Like it's, that's gonna be give me a sugar rush. I'm on a sugar crash. They're very, like the outside's very hard, but then it's soft on the inside. You gotta get to know it first. They're good. I like these. I forget how much these were. These are good. They have good flavor. They're really sweet though. So if you don't like super sweet, I wouldn't suggest these. Well, marshmallow and candy. I mean, what do you expect, right? I mean, it's not gonna be anything other than sugar. So I would give these maybe like a 7.1 out of 10. Okay, the very first thing that I chose was this. I went to Walmart before this and they had these, literally they had these mini ones. They had Barbie ones, they had all different kinds. So when I went to the dollar store and saw like these big things, like this is big for the dollar store. Like, oh my gosh, like I was so excited. A lot of them were like smushed and cracked. I got one that wasn't. That's probably why. She doesn't really have a good home. She has no real good stability in there. Let's open her up. I love the packaging. It's gorgeous, so bright, so fun. The only thing, Kate, there's like no, you see the chocolate right there. There's no like a bag in there to like protect it. You know what I mean? Like this, I feel like it's gonna be stale because there's nothing like enclosing it to like keep the freshness in. This is what I'm looking at, and then I'm just gonna grab this out. Okay, so it is still a good size. It is very, oh, okay. It smells different than like the Hershey vibe chocolate. It smells more, she's also a music box. Oh my God, it's because her head's broken. Oh my gosh, girl. And this is what it looks like close up. It's so cute. I love the detailing. I love the packaging. Like, so already like packaging got me, and let's try it. But it's like, it has that like not as sweet flavor that I'm smelling. Oh my God. Oh my God. This chocolate's way better than the other one. Oh my God. It's so creamy. It's literally like pure cream. Oh my God. This is exactly what I would want for Easter. I'm probably gonna buy myself another one of these for Easter and just eat it all Easter day. It's hollow on the inside. It makes the chocolate super thin and it makes it melt in your mouth even more. It's gonna melt all over my hands. It's super like high in like milk content or something like that. Oh my God, it's messy. 8.8 out of 10. Oh my God, 9.2 out of 10. I'm changing. 100%. Oh, it says right here, premium milk chocolate. It is so milky, not super sugary. Oh my God, literally the best thing. Nothing else is gonna beat it. Okay, next up we have Real Hoppy Marshmallow Rabbits. This was the last one there, so I was like, hey, these are probably super good if they're the last ones there. So let's try it here. Little marshmallows. I'm glad I got a variety, like, whoa. Flavor, sorry. I am not kidding. That smells like a pad before you use it. Like when you, like for your period, like if you open up a pad, how it, some of them have like scents in them, like a little bit of floral scents, just that like if you know, you know. That is like literally what it smells like. Oh my gosh. So they are very cute. I like the colors of them. They're very cute, very festive. Let's try this blue one right here. The smell is throwing me off because it's literally like, am I, really gonna eat this? Oh. It's like chewing gum. It's a deceiving, because it's good. They feel, like the way they sound and the way they feel, I feel like they should be hard when I bite into them, or they're like stale, but they're not. They're like super, super soft, but they still have like that firmness in them. Probably makes no sense. Kind of tastes like Pepto-Bismol a little, but like you added like cotton candy to it. Woo! Very, very, very sweet, like 7 out of 10. Okay, now for the finale. I don't know what we're expecting here because they're in this little carton. I thought this carton was so cute, and you can reuse this carton, put like real Easter eggs in there. I thought it'd be really cute. Easter eggs with jelly beans, this says, 6 pieces. So they have little designs here on them, like with hearts and polka dots and stripes and stuff. So I'm really curious as to what's gonna happen when we open these. These were $3. Let's cut this thing off first, and then we're gonna get in there. Ooh, okay. I love the color of this. It's so adorable. Okay, so they're definitely not polka dots. They're giving plastic. That's okay. What color should we choose? We've done lots of blue and pink, so let's do this yellow one. There's just jelly beans in it, but they're I know the presentation is actually kind of cute. No? Do we like it? I feel like this is more work to get into the candy than it needs to be. This is gonna probably open way easier than the chocolate egg did. See, that's how I was gonna, it comes, and there's like a little mini, these are cute because you can reuse the carton for different things. You could reuse these for like little scavenger hunts and put like clues in them or candy in them. I think these are really adorable. So we have these little jelly beans here. Let's see if these are better or worse than the first jelly beans. Ooh, they smell so good. Let's get a yellow one. They're so like mini. That's so cute compared to the other ones. Oh my God, lemon. These are better than the other ones. Oh, they're really sticky. They're not as chewy, they're softer. They're not as sweet. Ooh, they're like sour. It's really sticky to my teeth. Ugh, pink. I know that flavor, but oh, that one's really sour. Okay, and then the blue one. The flavors are very, very pronounced, like they're strong, and then they go sour right away, and the flavor goes away. It's like when you're chewing on gum for a long time, and the flavor goes away, but it's in like seconds. It's cool, it's like a mystery in your mouth. There's like different flavors. I feel like I'm at Willy Wonka or something in the factory. But the flavors are good. I like the blue one the best out of those. So good, so yummy. I'll give these like a 7.5 out of 10. Okay, everybody, I hope you guys enjoyed this little Easter moment. Whatever you're doing for Easter, whatever your plans are, whatever your traditions or religion is, I hope you guys have a good day and a good weekend nonetheless. I love you guys so much. Be nice to each other, and remember, don't let other people dim your light because they want to shine brighter. I think that's what it is. Don't let others dim your light just so they can shine brighter. I think that's what it is. Anyways, you catch the drift. Just be yourself, be you at all times, and don't be ashamed for being you, and don't dull your light to make others feel like they dulled your light. I love you guys. Bye.